In this video, I'm going to show you how to change VSCode font to JetBrains Mono. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to get the JetBrains Mono font. So, of course, go to their website and download it onto your computer. And after this, you will have to install it. Now, to do this, what you're going to have to do, of course, is it's usually going to be inside your downloads folder. So, you'll have to first extract this folder, right-click, and then extract all. And then inside here and inside fonts, you'll be able to see TTF. And then here, there's the entire Mono font family. To install this, you can either go and click on every single one of these and click on install, but to skip this, you can just go into search at the bottom, type in fonts, and then here you can just go and drag and drop these in here, and all of them are gonna get installed. Okay, so that's the quickest way to do it. After that, open up VS Code like that. So just open it up. And then to actually get the font installed, let me close this. There we go. You want to go to File, top left, Preferences, Settings, and then from here, you want to extend this workbench over here. So for me right now, I don't know why it's not showing anything, but inside the workbench, there should be a bunch of different things. Let me actually close this away really quickly. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Let's actually reopen up again. So there we go, File, and then I go again, Preferences, Settings, and then in here, there we go, it says Workbench. Click on that, click on Settings Editor, and then from here, you want to type in Font up top. There we go. And then you want to go to font family, delete all of these in here, and just type in JetBrains Mono like this. When you do that, click out of here, and this should be saved. And if I now open up a random file here, for example, as you can see, the font has already been applied, and I can now see the JetBrains Mono font. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.